This recording will cover the upcoming IEP project assignment. I know for some of you, it might be your very first time seeing an IEP, right? You might not be working with students with disabilities yet. You might not be a part of an IEP team yet. So this is just your first, some of you, it might be your first exposure. Some of you might be pretty well versed in IEPs. So this is just kind of your initial introduction to the IEP process. And I apologize for this extra stuff over here on each side. My screencast-o-matic is acting a little wonky, so I just wanted to get this recorded and just don't worry about this part, okay? So you can certainly, you're going to work on developing one IEP. You can certainly, and I would honestly encourage, especially for this assignment, that you work with a small group, okay? So you are very welcome to work with a small group for this assignment, as you are for most of the other assignments. So there will be two case studies. You will choose just one, okay? You're going to choose just one, and you will use the IEP template that I provide for you. So if you're in a school district, currently your IEP format might look a little bit different, but this one was similar to what was on, I think I got it from the state, the website. So you're going to use a case study that you guys choose, okay, that y'all choose. And I'll show you again, it's just a choice of two. So your IEP should include present levels, goals, objectives, benchmarks, classroom accommodations, testing modifications, related services, stuff like that to the best of your ability, okay? Again, it's your first time. Some of you, it might be your very first time looking at an IEP or looking at developing an IEP. So don't worry if there's a few things that you're like, I'm not sure what she's looking for. Okay, so just do the best that you can. So let me just show you what I have. So it is called IEP Project Assignment. Okay, there will be a folder. There's a folder, okay, under IEP Project Assignment. This right here is the documents for the actual assignment. And in this folder, you will find, so let me go back again to show you. So it's under the IEP Project Assignment folder. Then right here, documents for the actual assignment. So this is your actual assignment, okay? So you will click here. You will choose one case study, Larry right here, or Toby, to complete the IEP template. You are welcome to work with a small group or partner for this assignment. I will create a discussion board in case you want to connect with your classmates. Do the best you can with the information you are provided with the case study. You may need to use your best judgment for some parts of the IEP. That is okay. This is just to expose you to the IEP process and what goes into writing it. Do the best you can. You will be fine. I promise. Okay. So here is your template. So remember, you can click here. Oh boy, there's a whole lot happening on my computer today, y'all. Let me just tell you. So it will look like this. Okay, again, I know I'm moving the page all over. I apologize. Okay, it's going to look like this from Palmetto Tree School District. You're going to do the best you can. Okay, here's what it looks like. I'll go into a little more detail in just one second. Here it is, here it is, here it is. Okay, you may have seen one, you may have not seen one. For this page, the signature page, you obviously don't have to get signatures, but just put, who the person would be: special ed teacher, gen ed teacher, occupational therapy, therapist if needed, speech language student, whatever, whoever is going to be a part of your IEP team. You can make up names if you want. You don't have to, okay? Just put their position is the most important part so that I know that who all needs to be at the IEP and IEP meeting, okay? So again, if you know names, sure, use names, but you don't have to. I'm more interested in the position of who will be on the team. All right, so that's what the template looks like. And remember, let me close this little syllabus. So remember, you can click on it here or you can click on it here. Okay, here are your case studies, Larry or Toby. So let me just show you real quick. Here is, because of course I have a meeting in about 5 minutes. All right, here's Toby. Toby is in grade 10 at Palm Tree High School. Excuse me, Larry. So you can read all about Larry. Okay, gives you some scores, tells you what's going on, why he was referred. Okay, so if you're interested in working, with older students, Larry might be a good one for you. And then if you are interested in Toby, you could look, well, gracious day. Hold on one moment, please. I know y'all like my sound effects. So this is Toby, okay, and Toby is preschool. I can't remember how old Toby actually is, but he is a younger student, I believe. Okay, so here is Toby's case study. So you can choose either Toby or Larry. Again, you only have to choose one. I'm really uncertain as to what this means, but that's okay. We'll go back here. All right, so you're going to choose Larry or Toby, and you're going to complete this IEP template. That is your actual assignment. Okay, this part right here that says documents for the actual assignment is your actual assignment. Okay. Uh, Sorry, let me delete that real quick. Oh my goodness, y'all, I'm a mess. I know. So the other things that are posted, okay, if things are not in the folder, here again, actual assignment, extra, 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 extra. Some of these other things I posted just because they might be helpful to you, okay? Do you have to use any of these other things? Absolutely not. I just included these as a that might be helpful resources. So I even say everything not in this folder are just some examples and possible helpful hints for you. Okay, this one is about, and this is old. Okay, this recording right here that I'm pointing to, this Thomas case study, it is from I think a year and a half ago. So I mentioned some other case studies in here, Donald, Gabrielle, Jose, that you did not do this year. Okay, don't think, oh, I missed something. No, you didn't. We didn't. I changed the assignments, but I did not change this video. So this video for Thomas goes along with your Thomas case study assignment, okay? So in an ideal world, you will submit the Thomas case study assignment first, and then you can watch this video. That's kind of why I've held out on posting this video, because I wanted y'all to get the Thomas case study assignment done first. But regardless, I want to give y'all enough time with this IEP assignment. So you might find this helpful as to how the IEP, Thomas, if you had to do that assignment where we talked about where you had to, in the past, I had him create his IEP, might be helpful for you. You did not do that this semester. Again, this video right here is from a past semester. Okay, but again, it might be helpful for you. It might not be. These are just some notes for the IEP project. Might be helpful, might not. This is an IEP meeting notes and sample script. Again, might be helpful, might not. And then this is another sample completed IEP in Rich. So again, some of you may have seen this before. It looks like this. This is a sample, okay? So do I want you to just copy and paste from the sample? No, I do not. But do I want you to possibly look at this if it might be helpful for you? Yes. Okay. Again, I may be going, overkill and giving you way too much that you're like, oh, just give me the assignment. So that's fine. If you don't want to use this, or this, don't. Okay. You do not have to. Here is your actual assignment. Okay, so I think that is it for the IEP assignment. Again, do the best you can. Use your textbook to support you. If you work with a group, only one group member will submit it, but then just make sure you include everybody's names on there. Okay, and again, here is where you will go for the actual assignment. Okay, IEP project assignment. Here's your template. Here's where you'll submit. And here are the two case studies. You will choose one, right? Either Larry or Toby. Larry's our older student. Toby is our younger student. So whichever one makes the most sense for you. And again, this Thomas case study recording is from a few years ago. So if you hear something that I said in the video, just know it does not apply to you. Okay, don't be like, oh my gosh, there's 4 other case studies. No, there are not. I promise you're fine. Okay, these might help you. Again, some of these might help you and some of them might not, but I just wanted to give you as many resources as possible. Okay, this is not due for, oh goodness, a while. I think at least, what is it, 3-4 weeks. So we have a good bit of time before this is due, but I did just want to make sure you had plenty of time to complete this assignment. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget about the Thomas case study questions that are due before this IEP project. So remember the case study. Don't forget about our friend Thomas. And I think that's about it. Have a great day.